Our happiness with the Rotax 1000R engine in the Maverick Sport was due in part to its excellent clutching from the factory, making the most of the available power. This was confirmed to us by aftermarket clutch component manufacturer Dalton Industries, who say that the factory clutching is fine for stock or larger 28-inch tires.
At first I thought, compared to what came on this car, the 30s might be too much. So we slapped them on and they work really good. If you're in the market for tires for this car, go with 30s. There's a couple things you got to do to make it all work, which we did, but it pulls it, it has the power for it, the handling works well with it, so everything about them I like. There's really no downside. You even pick up some miles an hour. You do need to work on the clutch. The clutching, when you add tire, add weight, all these things are factors in the clutch. The way the clutches work in CVTs, I'll give you a quick rundown. The motor has peak horsepower is whatever it is, maybe on this car 8,000 RPMs. That's where you want your clutching to be. So when you add like bigger tires, if it was set right from the factory at 8,000, all of a sudden now you're spinning at 7,500. So as it's shifting and clutching through. So it was dogging down a little bit. So we changed the clutch, went with a Dalton. Dalton's been the clutch thing that snowmobiles, everything else for years. We put them on here and they were spot on. It brought the RPMs in, the car is shifting at peak RPM, so it really helped the performance. So that's something we really like. The only thing about the clutching on the Can-Ams is it's a little bit touchy doing yourself. You pretty much need the tools, the specialty tools to do it. So you're probably going to need to take it to a shop and have it done, because I think the tools are a bit spendy. You could probably find some videos on guys doing it, but that's the only downside. But whatever you got to do, whoever's clutch you use, you got to do that. So you may as well use theirs. And again, they were just spot on.
The kit that Dalton Industries recommended for us is specifically set up for 29 to 32-inch tires on the Maverick Sport 1000R DPS, XXC, and XRC models. It's also used for the XMR model for 32 to 34-inch tires. Overall, Dalton kept our 30-inch tire-equipped Maverick Sport's engine and clutching feeling responsive and running in the best part of the power band from idle till it topped out. We couldn't have asked for more.